Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to gain access to your Meta Business Suite. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into this video. All right, guys, if you're like me, if you go to Facebook, make sure you're signed in. And if you click onto your profile, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, there's no option where you can gain access to the Meta Business Suite. I don't know if it's because of my region, but yeah, there's no way for me to gain access by going into my Facebook app. If I click on search here, if I click on the gear and then search for Meta Business Suite, nothing will pop up. So if you scroll down here, there's nothing about Meta Business Suite here. So what I suggest is to get out of that and then open up your Play Store and then type in Meta Business Suite and then go ahead and click on Meta Business Suite. Give that a few moments to download and install. I'll pause this video and get back to you. All right, it's downloaded and installed. I'm going to click on open. And now to log in, just put in your email and password that you use for Facebook. So I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, I'm going to click on login. All right, I'm going to click on not now or turn on notifications. Depends what you want to do. And yeah, that's it, guys. How to log in to your Meta Business Suite. If you like this video, please give it a like or subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.